Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Check out this awesome 7x16 off-road trailer. This one is in a all black diamond plate exterior. It looks amazing on the off-road trailer. These are set up for you guys to be used as your toy hauler, your camper, your way to get off-road, and a cargo trailer. So you get a lot of use out of these. They do have insulation, windows, AC, power, battery, roof rack, a whole lot of goodies. We're gonna go through all that right now. This one is in a 7x16 with a 7-foot interior height. So it's gonna be tall enough and big enough for most UTVs out there. You do have the generator platform with an enclosed generator box right here on the tongue. It's a great place for you guys to be able to store that generator, get it out of the trailer, and have a great place to take it with you. You do have a side swivel jack as well, so you can get that up and out of the way, as well as that removable front coupler. That's great for theft deterrent. It's also great if you want to add an articulating hitch to this unit. I'm going to just get you guys a good exterior shot here, and then we'll go around and talk about some more of it. The all black diamond plate rock guard all around is amazing. Side door does have a window in it, so you do have a slider window with a screen in that side door, as well as the RV locking cam bar. Gutter over that side door. You also have a gutter over the rear ramp door. 2 LED party lights here off the sides. You guys will have some great light to hang out with at night at camp. And then you've got an exterior GFI outlet right there. That's that box. I love that because you can set up a table, plug in your skillet, cook your bacon outside, and do your thing. This one also has a step off the side door. These trailers sit up tall. They have about 19 inches worth of ground clearance, so quite a bit taller than your standard trailers. They're set up so you guys can really get off-road. You can see you don't have a great big huge giant axle tube that runs down there and sticks down like a lot of the products that are out there on the market, which basically defeats the purpose of your off-road capabilities. This also has 2 3,500-pound torsion axles. You've got brakes on all 4 wheels, black American racing wheels, and awesome 32-inch Mudterrain tires. There's your black diamond plate fender as well that just matches everything. All aluminum roof rack and ladder up top. That's to give you guys some additional storage. Good for big bulky items. It's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed. So kayaks, canoes, that sort of thing. And then there's drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back, so you can get that extra stability when you pull up to camp. You can drop those down and get nice and stable. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it. You've got the black diamond plate wrap around that rear door jamb as well. Gutter, there's 2 LED load lights off the back, so you'll have some nice light when you get to camp and need to see what you're doing at night. It also has a rear deck option on it. So just like that trailer right there, you can see those extra stabilizer jacks. This one has the same. And that's set up so you guys can use this as a ramp or put those jacks down and have a rear deck and have some more additional outside living space. Again, insulated walls and ceiling, and then you've got a beautiful white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. That white aluminum is awesome. It really reflects the light nicely, so it's bright. It's easy to take care of, keep clean, you can wipe it down. And then we also run the Performance Nudo floor with Drymax. This is one of the most durable floors that we can stick in a trailer. We've played around with a lot of different flooring, and this is one of the best floors we can find. Now we also have 6 D-rings in here, so you've got some good tie down points, and again, 7-foot interior height. Let's talk about lighting and setup in here, because there is some really great conveniences. Now up there in this front corner, you guys can see there is a battery box and a battery charger. That's a great feature because it's gonna run your interior puck lights. So these little guys right here, you do have 4 of these inside the trailer. These are really bright because they are LEDs. They're actually really good little lights. And that battery again is gonna run these puck lights. It's also gonna run the spots here off the back and your party lights off the side. So normally without a battery, you would need to be plugged into your vehicle or some kind of power source, i.e. a generator or something like that, to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. And if you guys are like us and you get to camp late at night, it really sucks to fire up your generator at 11 o'clock at night and make everyone around you mad. So that eliminates that. You can have light inside and out without anything because it's gonna run right there off that battery. Now up here in the left front corner, we've got the 30 amp service. That gives you guys that breaker box, that nice big long cord. You take that cord, go right there through that cord port. You can run it right out to the tongue where your generator is, and that will bring power into the trailer for you and power up your 4 interior outlets. You've got 3 right here, another one in the back, and then of course you've got the exterior GFI outlet. It's also going to power up your overhead 4-foot LEDs. So there's 2 of these guys across the ceiling for you, just for some additional light. It also will bring power into your AC unit with a heat strip. So you guys can see, you do have the ability to heat and cool these trailers, which is great for climate control. And that is how all of your power is set up within these trailers. Now we also have an overhead Maxx Air roof vent. Doesn't have the fan in it, but it does have the bubble cover over the top of it, so you guys don't have to worry about raining coming in if you guys forget to close that. And then some really great natural light with that window in the side door. And then we do have 2 of the 18 by 44 slider windows with screens. These are a tinted lockable window, so you guys can have some good versatility there. They open up all the way, or you can just use the screen, which I really like. And with the off-road trailers, you do get a 3-year factory warranty. Now, if you guys don't live in Colorado or you don't want to make a road trip, it's all good. We ship all over the place, all over the US. We've got really reasonable shipping rates, so you guys can give us a call. We'll get you a quote on what it would cost to get one of these trailers delivered to your door. We do special orders, and you guys can go right online to our website, coloradotrailersinc.com. We've got a buy it now button on all of our in-stock inventory, so you guys can just make it simple. Purchase the unit right online, and we'll contact you as soon as we see that and finish up the transaction with you. So again, give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. Or again, we're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com. And be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as we are rolling out new products and new inventory all the time. You guys can stay in touch with what we're doing.